Sarah, and I am here at the Vega residence to do a repair attempt. I am on this back slope here and I'm going to be doing a repair on this wind damage shingle here. I wanted to point out that all of the shingles are still sealed around where the repair is going to be, so just wanted to show that. And let's get started. So again, it's going to be this one right here. This one. So let me move the camera. This is the damaged shingle here. I forgot my roof snake today, so I do have this tool. I am going to be using my hand to make sure that the shingle does not come above 90 degrees at any time. But again, you and I both know that the roof snake is not listed in the policy as far as repairs go, so doing with what I have today. Very slow and gentle on these. Okay, so it looks like this is the middle of the 3-tab. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 3. The 3 tabs are nailed 3 rows up, so, or I'm sorry, 2 rows up. I'm just unsealing the ones above here. And just going slow and steady so we don't rip anything. These. Come to this angle. Oh, this one's going to be stubborn. There we go. Perfect. All right. This nail has ripped through the shingle, but of course you've already paid for this one. Just wanted to point that out. Again, keeping my hand on the shingle to make sure it doesn't enter 90 degrees at any point. This one is ripped through as well. Just for an interesting under here. Because it's ripped, I'm having to go under. You can hear it. It's trying. Yeah. There we go. Nails out. And I think I was mistaken. I think it's 1, 2, 3. Looking at it this way, it does cut off right here. So I'm gonna have to unseal. I'm gonna move the camera back a little bit because I didn't unseal. This one is not unsealed. So it's actually 1, 2, 3. And this one is not unsealed. And neither is that one. So I'm gonna move the camera back. So again, this is still the damaged shingle here, but it's actually connected 1, 2, 3. You really won't be able to tell which ones it's connected to until you unseal the ones above. So. This, let's see, 1, 2, 3, should it, yeah, so just this one right here. Okay, all right, back to work. This one is ripped through as well. You have not paid for that one. So the shingle, the nail is ripped through the shingle. So it's interesting to try and get it out. There's another one here, so I'm gonna go for that one, see if I can get that one out. If I can't get this one out, I'm gonna have to unseal below the damaged shingles. So we're talking about more shingles having to be unsealed. I think I can get this one so we don't have to unseal the others. You can hear it, I got it. There we go. Okay. Nail is out, which is good because, like I was saying, this one ripped out. So in order for me to get that one, I would have had to unseal this one. But because I was able to get this one up here, it's already broken through, which I'll show you when I get this shingle out, like where it broke through at. This one is also ripped through. And again, I'll show you what I'm talking about when I'm saying it's ripped through. Go ahead and get these. This one's also ripped through. And again, I'll show you what I mean by that. It looks like I'm having luck for these up here. These are also ripping through, but I'm having luck going 2 rows down to get it out. So there we go. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about here. As far as like ripping goes, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see that with the sun. Right here, it is ripping through. See that? How the shingles are just ripping. I mean, sorry, the nails are ripping through the shingles. Let me turn it around. You can see it better. This is what's happening. And again, you've already paid for this one shingle here, but this is what's happening underneath the ones that we're not pulling, is this. Put that out. All right. Now I have to go back with a 3 tab. Shingle here. Now let me grab this right here. So you can see. Take y'all out here for a second so I can show you what I'm talking about. See how they've got a lone soldier here? That's where that's a ripped one here. Let me see if I can. Okay, you see this nail here? That one is also ripped through. So it's ripped through that shingle. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm saying it's ripped. So I'll get this one out. Okay. All right, now let's go back in with a brand new shingle. Okay, we are in. Now, let's nail these back. Again, shingle's not going over 90 degrees at all. Only lifting it up enough to put my hammer here, and I've got my hand protecting it so that it doesn't come down, I mean up. next. Right here on the nail line. There we go. That one's giving me trouble. And last one. Try not to get it at an angle for you guys. Alright, there we go. Hey! Alright, so here is the, so here we are here. The homeowner just came out as well. This is where I replaced the shingle. That is the old shingle, again, with the nails ripping through. But here you can see there's a visible line here and here. There's one starting there with the granules. Damage from the repairs have already shown through. Here, here, here. Like I said, there's one starting there. So this is obviously a failed repair on top of it, not being same and kind like quality, even though it is a 3-tab shingle. So this would be a failed repair. And in order to indemnify your insured with all the damage that they have across the roof, a full roof replacement would have to suffice. Thank you.